Litty. Welcome to Litty Markets, where we promise to always bring you the most up-to-date information on the most talked about cryptos across the globe. Today, we'll be doing a market update on Crypto Vault. There has been some scuffles going on in that community as far as project goes. There's been a lot of trials and errors, a lot of obstacles in the way. They're finally able to get over the hump. They've been at the floor for a while now, and I think I'm finally seeing some powerful positive movements. Let's get on what was going on. You know, they had the thing with the pink sale, and I think that's been cleared up. You know, we've had some, unfortunately, we had a lot of pre-sellers cashing in all the bags. So, you know, it kind of left some holders a little worried, but things will be going back up. Crypto Vault is an amazing project. I believe those certificates are epic. So let's get this going, guys. Today we'll be going over Crypto Vault. I'm going to give you a quick little market update on what's going on with the project and the community. There's some scuffles going on there as far as little movements within Crypto Vault. Within Crypto Vault, there has been some pre-sellers that cashed all the way in, which hurt some of the holders, but it's okay. You know, that happens in this game. But things are starting to turn back around. They got that pink sell thing solved. So let's get over. Let's go to some updates. Talk about that. Then I'll have a bonus for you at the end. I think you're gonna like. So. All right. Breaking news from CryptoVault.net. Check this out. Today, we are happy to announce that we have successfully negotiated a buyback of 100% of the remaining Crypto Vault tokens that Pink Cell was selling off. After our amazing pre-sale, a 2% commission was paid to Pink Cell, and over the past week, one of the largest private wallets was in fact their wallet, which held a significant number of Crypto Vault tokens. Many of our CVT supporters track the wallets and of our major holders, and it was brought to our attention that one wallet in particular was selling at a sustained and constant rate. Since our launch 10 days ago, one of the largest private wallets were identified as the Pink Cell wallet, which held billions of Crypto Vault tokens. Okay, now I finally understand what took place there. All right, continuing on. Unfortunately, Pink Cell was selling large amounts of their tokens on the market daily, which kept Crypto Vault's price from truly taking off. They owned a large number of tokens, which led to huge dips in the chart as soon as a major purchase was made, not to mention the reflections they were getting on top of it. Big pumps, big sells. What was going on? We want to thank the entire CVT family and those special guardians that found their weight that was holding us down. We want to thank the entire CVT family and those special guardians who found the weight that was holding us down. Although we don't feel this was done maliciously, we do feel this was the reason CVT's price has been stalled without truly breaking out. The dev team sprung into action and entered into an OTC agreement with Pink Cell today and brought back the entire remaining CVT tokens from them. The token buyback was successful, and the tokens now remain in CVT's treasury. You can check that out here at this link. I'm not going to go there here for time reasons. What does this all mean from the CVT family? This is time for a celebration because it means that the selling pressure that was stemmed by Pink Cell is now eliminated. So yes, it's time to be happy. Time to, breathe, relax, people. Relax. This will happen in the projects. There's always something that can deter the true believers. I can't say the true believers, but they wouldn't have been deterred in the first place, but you know what I mean. It stops people from being so worried. When you have this belief, you have to believe. But yes, Pink Cell situation is gone. So now what? Now what's going on? This incredible news allows for our true organic price action to take place immediately for an upward trajectory. So, it's time. Generation Crypto, stand up, Crypto Vault. CTBSC. Let's go. So that's hella bullish for Crypto Vault. Glad they gotten that resolved. Alert, alert, Crypto Vault. That's pretty dope. So, just wanted to give a quick briefing on that. That has been resolved. We'll do some charting later. We'll do a brief charting to see where price can go, where it's currently at the moment. But right now, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and just give y'all the sauce already. I'm gonna give you the bonus. Check this out. Check this out. Crypto Vault will be listed on Doja Swap. Let's go. Shinja holders, get your Shinja certificates. Give them to your loved ones. You believe in your project? We believe in your project. Invest in the certificates to your loved ones. That is the biggest proof. You want something in your hands? You want something you can hold? That's the biggest proof you can have that crypto is real. This can bring individuals into this atmosphere. This is awesome. We're starting with Doja Swap, squad. Let's go. Super lit. I'm with it. All right, squad. I appreciate y'all for tuning in. Always remember to do your own research and your own analysis on any cryptos that were discussed in this video. My Twitter is going to be at the bottom. Add me. Follow me. But yeah, Crypto Vault. Crypto Vault. I got hopes for you guys. You guys are going to make moves. Shout out to the devs there. We appreciate you. Shout out to Crypto D. Shout out to Vern. Let's keep this thing going. We strong. I'm strong. CVT all day, baby. Like, comment, and subscribe to the video to keep this thing active on YouTube. All right. Enjoy the rest of y'all evening. Enjoy the rest of y'all evening. Stay lit. We out. Ha. Yo, what's good, everybody? It's Mr. Litty, and welcome to Litty Markets, where we promise to always bring to you up-to-date information on the most talked about cryptos across the globe. All right, squad, well, today, we're going to be real quick and easy here. Terraria, I predicted that price would continue to move up due to the bike being created. Due to it being on the trend line and in the buy zone. So we also did some trading analysis, price predictions on Awesome Austin's YouTube channel yesterday. So I want you guys to check that out. We also had Bleaves on there. We also had Legal Alien on there. It was a pretty good session. We learned a lot. So I just want to show you guys a clip of Terra in the chart analysis. that I was able to give for them. Check it out, guys. Bro.
Let's go.
Guys, I'm just.
Oh, there you go, right there. He gets it.
Right. I don't have to say anything. Do you see exactly what that is, bro?
He gets it.
I don't have to say anything. Look, guys. Look. Everybody watching, like, seriously, like, I'm not saying this to be a fanboy. I'm not saying it at all. I just know the probabilities, first of all, and as well as psychology within markets. Listen, this is Binance. All of this was Binance, right? People's emotions are like, I'm calm, I'm getting more calm, I'm getting more calm, I'm getting more calm. Up, here's the first dip, come up, right? When you look at this, the second time it came back down, if it never passed this point, it doesn't matter. So when I seen it started coming back up and it broke this line, I'm like, oh, and it retested the line? Oh yeah, it's gone, bro. Tierra's about to go off until like within the next 2-3 days.
Yep.
It's gonna be back in this area right there in the 7900s. Mark my words.
That's pretty legit, bro. I actually really dig that. That was really good TA right there.
You feel me, man? Do you feel what I'm saying too? Like,
Yo, Litty, is this financial advice?
This is
on this one it is, because he's right.
All right, guys. I just wanted to show you that vehicle to let y'all know I don't be bluffing, man. I know what the hell I be talking about when it comes to these markets, especially with the charts and with the human psychology of trading. So I appreciate everybody that came in. Remember to do your own research on any cryptos that were discussed in this video. Make your investment decisions based on your own analysis and your own research and development, guys. Remember that. Terra is on a good move up. It was in a perfect buy zone, and now it's moving up to, like I said, the 7900s. So keep your eye out on the charts, as it will be moving for this upcoming week. I'd like to appreciate Awesome Austin for having me on the show. I'd like to give a shout out to Bleaves and Legal Alien, who was on the show as well. We a community, we are together. Stay lit, guys. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel to keep this thing active on YouTube. Enjoy your Sunday. We lit. We out. Yo, what's good, squad? I'm Mr. Litty, and welcome to Litty Markets, where we promise to always bring to you the most up-to-date information on the most talked about cryptos across the globe. All right, squad, so today we'll be doing a brief chart analysis on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Shiba. I made some videos weeks back on my price predictions on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Shiba. Now, fast forward in today. I was on Austin Hilton's live YouTube channel this morning. And I had a great time. It was so fun. Austin Hilton's a great guy. I appreciate him for allowing me to come on the show and show my gifts. We will be doing more work together in the future, which is awesome. But yeah, on the show, man, I did some chart analysis on Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Shiba. So guys, take a look at this. In the comment section, let me know what you think. Let me know how accurate you think my price predictions are for those three cryptos. Let's get it.
Add to stream. There you go. You're on, man. That's your screen.
All right. right, check this out, guys.
That's a lot of lines.
It'll help. I know you're probably like, what the hell? It'll help, man. Trust me.
What the hell's that? What are you doing? Oh shit. There we go. There you go.
There we go. All right. So Bitcoin. I want to make this bigger. Hold on. Full screen mode. There we go. All right, guys. So as you see here, this is where honestly, I had made a video on this maybe 2 weeks ago when price was in this area, and I knew based off of I have a move called the bike, right? Mm-hmm. We got the downtrend, which is the bike. We have the first low, which is the first wheel, and then the second highest low, which is the second wheel. This is on the daily, by the way, guys. It's on the daily, so that's just a huge move. If you see this, you can see that this is a big W. Look how big this W is, man. So I see that number one. If I zoom in, guys, you can see here, test, retest, goes up, test, and as soon as it hits this trend line, it bounces up immediately. Now it hasn't even came back down to that trend line. So this area right here is a nice floor. This thing is going up to, let's see, what I have marked here. This thing is going to the 60,000. I will say this will hit 60,000 2022. I won't say within months time frame, but definitely by the end of the year, you can just look at the chart and it just shows you where it's going. Like it shows you. So it's definitely in this area, man, by 2022 for Bitcoin.
All right, dude, do real quickly. That was actually a very good, simple, concise. Because a lot of times, man, when you're looking for technical analysis and you're looking for a really good TA channel on YouTube, you get a guy or somebody that's extremely dry, hard to understand, and doesn't make their point really short, really sweet. I'm a very simple guy at the end of the day. And what you just explained was just like, man, so short, so sweet. Like that when you were showing the, the bounces down. I love the bike scenario, the bike analogy, the bike wheels. So again, pull up your channel here, man, since you're sharing your screen, and give a shout out to your channel, because we all need a good TA source, especially just somebody who does good videos. So again, I want to give you that was a really good, good.
I appreciate that. Yeah, I want to make it simple. That's what I was trying to tell guys. A lot of people, when they do those charts, they talk about trend lines and resistance lines and support lines and Fibonacci's and candlesticks. It's like, no, I want to talk in layman's terms for everyone, because a lot of people don't even know what all those terms mean in charting. So I just like to talk for the littlest person, even a teenager can understand that, man. So cool. Yeah, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Ethereum's looking the same exact way. Man, it's looking lovely. Here I am, Litty Markets. Appreciate you guys already. I'm at 320. I'll be dropping a video today on the Bitcoin Ethereum charts, just showing what I did 3 weeks ago and comparing it to now to let you know, like, hey guys, I was right. But yeah, it's good.
Well, but that's a good point, Litty. I mean, you're not, none of us can be right 100% of the time. Never. But it's why I look at different people for TA. I've got different sources and things of that nature. But I think, we're always looking for that, and that's important, man. So I'm glad you're on the scene, man. All right, so here you go. So back to you got the controls, man. So this is Ethereum.
This is Ethereum. Look how, oh my God, this looks like the same damn chart, don't it?
Yeah.
Looks like the same chart, same scenario.
So you call those, what do you call those, bicycle wheels?
The bikes, man. We call it
bikes.
The Litty Laz, and Laz was a guy that's in our Shapiro group. He actually came up with the term bike, so I had to give him, his props, and his kudos. So I call it the Litty Laz bike, man. Got the handles, the bike.
So can you zoom in on that at all? Make that a little bit, zoom in on that a little bit. I want to see kind of where. So to your point, so inside of the bike wheels, if you will, right? That's where you're showing it's bouncing down, hitting that support level, right? Then coming back up.
Yes, look at this. This is very important. I want you guys to understand this concept. When price drops down, first of all, you see the zone, that's a huge buy zone. When price gets in the zone, it makes moves. Look at this. Look over here. We go look left. Guys, another thing, if you want to predict price, always look left from previous price movements. That always gives you an idea what price is going to do. So look at this. When this went low, this was the low of this time period. This was in January.
Okay.
Yep, January. This was the low. When price came up and came back down, notice this low was higher than this low.
Right.
If this low would have dropped below this low, then we'd have been possibly seeing Ethereum going down to 1600s, 1800s.
Okay, but hold on a minute, Lee. So I want you to zoom in on the. Can you get it where you're a little bit tighter in on the bike wheels, if you will, like where it's just more bigger of the screen. Okay. So my question to you is this. So I see on the first bike wheel, on the one on the far on the left. Okay, that one. So again, I want to make sure I'm just really crystallizing and seeing what you're saying here. So you're saying, so I see how the red line dipped down. Okay, I see that it dipped down. And then how are you defining how far down? See, like your bottom of your wheel went down into your maroon, buy zone, right?
Yeah.
So how are you defining how far down you're drawing that bottom of that wheel? Does that make sense?
Do you mean this area right here, or the actual?
The actual bottom of the wheel. See, like so because the kind of like my analytical brain would be like, oh, why isn't just the like that right there? Like, why isn't the round that bottom of that wheel touching where the red candle went down and touched the top? You know what I mean?
Honestly, there's no reason behind the length of the wheel. This is just showing you that this is a low and this is a higher low.
Okay, so you're just using it almost as like a zone scenario.
Yes.
Because because on that second, the other wheel, see how your green candle didn't come quite down as far, obviously, right?
Right.
It didn't. It didn't touch into that bottom zone. You're just using the wheels to highlight that as a point of, again, support, right?
Yeah, like technically I can even do this. See what I'm saying? I can even.
Yeah, but I think it looks better, more of a to your point, right? Yeah.
Yeah. But I do it like this, because it's the same width as this. I'm lazy sometimes, and I like to just copy and paste.
Well, yeah, I was wondering if there was a method to the madness on like how big those zones were. That's really what I was asking you.
Yeah, no, this technically is just showing that there's two wheels. There's one lower and there's one higher low. That's all that is.
Okay, so going back to something else you were talking about, like, okay, so that maroon box, I mean, I'm just walking kind of people through this or watching this, or maybe you're not familiar with TA. So that maroon box there at the bottom, you said that was like that was your support zone, buy zone. If it goes into that, buy at those levels.
Yes, this is technically a floor/buy zone.
Okay.
So yes.
Which she bounced off of that, and then you have now that other maroon box above. That's another buy zone. Is that another buy zone, depending upon those higher levels?
Honestly, I need to change this to like a different color because you would think that, but no, this is more of a consolidation zone.
That's why I'm asking the question. I kind of figured that's what it was, but I wanted to make sure just for for people watching, right?
Because look, it's bouncing, goes up here and it goes right in the zone. Goes up here, goes right in the zone. Boom, 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 gets in the zone. Once it breaks out of the zone, it takes a big push up. Now here's some more consolidation. Once it gets out of that zone, big push up. Here. Once it got out of that zone, big push down. Here. It's fiddling. Look at this. What do you think is going to happen now? Just like look left. This thing is going up exactly to this green area, guys. Like this will hit this point quicker than Bitcoin. It'll hit this
absolutely.
Yeah.
So what's your so you said quicker. I mean, obviously, kind of our Bitcoin analogy was 60,022 in 2022. What are you thinking for Ethereum? We know it moves faster, but what are you thinking there on price point and kind of a ballpark win?
I'm saying Ethereum will hit 4,300. My prediction, give it 2 to 4 months.
Okay.
The way it's going, guys, you see how these are green, super green. But if I look left, look, there's some super greens, and then it's, it has some pullbacks. We need pullbacks. That's healthy. It's pullback.
Absolutely.
Pullback. So I'd say, 2 to 4 months, man, we're back in this green area.
So what do you say to people that are like, hey, April, we might start to see, like looking again historically last year, April, we might see some, there was crypto winter discussion, bear market, et cetera. What's your kind of 2 cents on that scenario?
It is a possibility because at the end of the day, guys, we don't know for sure that the bull run has started. We don't know that for 100%, right? So, if there was a possible bear move to happen, it's at least going to happen in this area. Because if you look left, once again, you see this is where all the friction is.
Mm-hmm.
See, when it got here last time, look, if you look farther left, it got in this area, and it got in this area, bam, got in this area, look here, bam. So it is a possibility it gets in as soon as it hits 4,000s, that it could be looking to, to retrace. It may even, guys, retrace from this area back down here. And guess what? This might be a new floor. So.
Well, I mean, yeah, to your point, I mean, your consolidation lines even obviously show that in looking historically,
Yeah, facts, man. Facts.
Interesting.
So either it's hitting the green or it'll hit that red, do a nice little retracement, and then go back up to the green. It's going to the green, though. I believe it really is hitting the green. 2 to 4 months.
Yeah, caveat being, again, Russia does something spooky with the war, chemical small nukes, which, please, God, don't let that happen. But I mean, for the horrific human toll, absolutely, beyond a shadow, but just the impact it'll have on the financial worldwide global markets is going to be catastrophic. Yeah. So this is good, man. I mean, and even to your point, like if we hit that $4,000, I think you called it a friction area, right? Because you can look to the left of that, where you had that previous one, then that box could go all the way over to the left. One more, even one there. Yeah. I mean, I love historical analysis from when you're looking at obviously TA, when you're looking back and you can see these trend lines, and this is good, man. Again, I give you props, man. This is some of the easier to understand TA. I had a guy I used to watch back in the day, or used to follow, and I had to quit because I was literally asleep within 2 minutes. I'm like,
And it's funny you say that, Austin, because that's another thing. Since my name is Litty, I use that term, to keep people hyped and keep people engaged. So I'll have some nice chill beats in the background, you can rap over and stuff like that. It's like, so I have that in the background.
You got to make sure that they're not copyrighted, man. When you get monetized, you can't have that crap. So
hey, look! I make beats, Austin.
There you go. All right, so you own the rights. Okay, that's good stuff. All right. All right, that's cool, man. So you're thinking to finalize on this. You're thinking again. Hey, go share your channel real quickly before you give me back control. You're thinking 4,000. Well, you said like 4,000. That's where we might run into that maroon bar. Depending upon, might be pushed back because of historical. Maybe if we get a bear market April, blah blah blah. But if we don't, we bust through that, get into like the 43 range, and that's that green zone above, and all that's within what probably really the first maroon box could be. That's definitely April, right? And then beyond that, 2 to 4 months. Which, you know what, 4,000 to 4,300 could be freaking a week. I mean, right, like it's running now, it could be 1 day. So we could be inside of 6 weeks to 8 weeks, longer term. Outside of that,
That's facts, man.
Yeah.
Hey, real quick, man, if you want, since we started talking about Shiba, I mean, that could be my last one. I can
Oh, dude. I mean, I'm sure. So drop in the chat. Everybody wants him to do one for Shib. We all know yes. So please, we got about 430 here. Guys, hit the like button while Liddy's doing his thing. We got to get to 350 likes. It's good stuff, man. I'm glad you could come join us, dude.
Yeah, man. Get the likes up, guys.
I'm gonna tell you. While you're doing that, I'm gonna go cheat and look at your channel, and then I'm gonna ask you what you think the subs are, and then I'm cheating.
Okay.
So you're at 339, man. Now we've almost got you another 100. So that's cool.
Yeah, man. I appreciate you, man.
All right. Yeah. So this is Shib. All right. Cool.
Shib. All right. You got it up? All right. Let's see.
Yeah, you're good.
All right. So, oh my goodness, look at this price. Shib. I'm predicting this is hitting what 3,500s. It'll hit 3,500 this week. Facts. Guaranteed.
This week?
Guaranteed. Guaranteed.
You want to hedge that a little bit with Bitcoin and Ethereum got to keep running and that kind of stuff?
Yeah, of course, yes. Bitcoin and Ethereum. It does have to keep moving. It does have.
What's going on, man? How you doing?
We're all getting schooled in TA, man, from Litty. He's doing his thing, man. He's dropping some serious truth here, man. And everybody, I don't think I've had 450 people. Everybody's like them. Shit, Austin's not doing his usual thing, man. He's got actually got smart guys on today.
Oh, he's doing it. He's giving us that Litty bike.
Yes, the Litty bike. Oh, that's pretty good. The Litty bike, the lad bike, Litty bike. All right. He said 30. So you say 30. Why a week, Litty? I mean, that's aggressive, brother. Why?
Look. Look at this. Look at this candlestick just from day one.
Yeah.
One day right here.
All right, I'm gonna play advocate, man. Devil's advocate. I love to say that all the time. She's got to give some back, man.
Yeah, she does.
You know how Shiv does, man. She runs, and then people are like, "Oh my God, I gotta take my 5% profit, and I gotta get out." You know.
And look, I'm also looking left, guys. Look, first of all, the W in this buy zone on a daily is extremely powerful for number one. Number two, when you look left, look, when it gets right out of this, look where it goes. It touched. Yeah. It literally tipped this area right here. It literally touched it. You keep looking left, man. Look, when it first originally started, it blasted through this. So I'm just basing it off of previous price movements and where it went at previously and seeing this W. Most W's that are made, it usually gets past. This is called the neckline of the W, by the way. So we got the lower low. There's the neckline, the higher low. Usually price at least gets, and actually with W's, it goes above the neckline. So I'm actually being modest. I'm being modest about it. So I definitely see this soon, guys. 3,500, 3,600 within this week. If he keeps moving like he's moving big time.
And so inside, I mean, I know you're just looking at the chart in that capacity, Litty, right? So let's take a scenario. Bitcoin, Ethereum, we cool off by, Wednesday. Let's say we get tomorrow, we all wake up and Bitcoin's still up. Maybe it's at a 3% run up tomorrow, et cetera. And I'm really not talking about, so what I'm going is you're looking at just charts. I tend to look at like macroeconomics and things like that, kind of more of the political blah, 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 blah. And kind of looking at, people will take profits, right? And so in that scenario with your TA analysis, while you're building it, are you building it just purely in that kind of like, I'm just looking at the chart and then okay. So you build the chart and then you kind of zoom out a little bit and you look at kind of everything else.
This is how I do it. I start from just normal price movements, human psychology, chart analysis. I start there.
Okay.
But you have to mix, and that's where, Hobbs came in perfectly right now. To me, that's his extreme strong point. He's able to mix the fundamentals, the news. He's able to channel the stocks and compare them to crypto. So mixing in the TA and having the fundamental skills of the finance industry is powerful. It's extremely powerful. So you're right. You're right.
Yeah. All right. I got Hobbs. I got a call.
Yo, what's up, squad? Tell me what you think about that video with Austin Hilton and your boy Litty. It's pretty dope. Remember, guys, I appreciate you all for coming in. Please make sure you do your own research on any cryptos that were discussed in this video. Make your investment decisions based on your own analysis and your own research and development, guys. Remember that. It's very important. Ethereum is booming. Bitcoin is booming. Shiba is booming. I'm not saying this is a bull run, but I believe it's right around the corner. If like Austin said, if this war calms down and there's no more bullshit, then I believe we're taking off, guys. There's going to be a lot of wealthy individuals in the crypto space. So we lit. So again, appreciate you for coming. Like, comment, and subscribe to the channel to keep this thing active on YouTube. Enjoy your Monday, starting the week off early. Stay lit, and we out. Yo, 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 what's good, everybody? I'm Mr. Litty, and welcome to Litty Markets, where we promise to always bring to you up-to-date information on the most talked about cryptos across the globe. All right, squad. Today we'll be going over CoinViewCap's market updates, going over the launch yesterday, which was very successful, and some up and coming catalysts that we have for CoinViewCap. So without further ado, let's get it. All right, squad. We got the charts up for CoinViewCap CVC. Launch was amazing. Got the retest, or got the pullback to the gold zone. Breaks out the floor. Retests the floor. Breaks out the ceiling. Retest the ceiling, all-time high breakout. Retested the trend line, another all-time high. Here's your M. This one is lower than this previous high. Sell off, people collecting profits. People getting back in, people collecting profits. And everybody's buying and selling here, buying and selling. Another sell off of collecting profits. And now we're here in this area. A little small sell off, and now we're getting back up, guys. So it looks like people are putting more money into the market after the profit taking, which is good. So let's go, CVC. Let's see if we can hit that all-time high today, guys. Let's get it. All right, guys. Now the launch that took place yesterday. One of the best launches I have ever seen in this space. They were already connected with Dojo Swap. So we got a lot of investors in the Shinja community as well. An amazing launch. Soon as he pressed the button, everyone was able to buy. The token was available immediately. There were no halts, there were no pauses on anyone having to add liquidity. It was already in place. Hats off to Keith, top dev. Amazing job. He's been working his ass off and it's showing. Amazing job, man, with this launch. I must say, amazing. I also wanted to mention, guys, CoinViewCap is KYC'd, fully KYC verified, and now they're currently in the midst of being processed by CertIC. So the CertIC audit is coming soon. So be checking for that. These guys are hitting all categories, all numbers. It's amazing. All right, now some of the catalysts that we have coming up. We got a new listing. Listing alert, listing alert, listing alert, listing alert. CoinViewCap will be listed on Bitmart April 13th of this year. So I say a little under 2 weeks, we will have Bitmart added. So it's always nice to have an exchange under the belt. And we hit Bitmart pretty quickly. So again, let's go CoinViewCap. And there is I have heard from the little whispers around the community that Coinbase is actually watching our moves. So knowing that Coinbase is watching us, hey, everybody be on your best damn behavior. Be on your best behavior. I'm on my best behavior. Shout out to Drizzy Drake. But yes, that's good news, man. Hearing about Bitmart. And lastly, guys, CoinViewCap's community is amazing. Everyone's on the same page. Everyone has a goal in mind. We all want to work with all tokens. We want to make sure there's no fudding of other tokens, no bashings of other tokens. Because at the end of the day, every token will want to get listed. Every token will want to get listed on CVC. Period. There's a lot of things going on. And we all know how CoinMarketCap, they like to be shady and give falsified rankings. So with this opportunity, everyone will be ranked correctly with real-time price movement, guys. I think we got something great in our hands. This might be a revolutionary opportunity, guys. So please come into the chats, come into the telegrams, the voice chats, ask any questions, join the community, see what we have. Tons of individuals already locked in, guys. Most of these individuals are active on a daily basis. An amazing community we have. It's amazing. All right. I appreciate everybody for coming in. This was going to be a real quick video, so that was all I wanted to mention in regards to CoinView Cap. Please remember to do your own research on any cryptocurrencies that were discussed in this video. Make your investment decisions based on your own research and your own analysis, guys. I'm just here to help you and guide you to the right directions. CoinView Cap, amazing launch. Bitmart's coming on the 13th. Certic audit is in progress. Things are moving. KYC. We got a strong dev, hardworking dev, and a community that's on the same page, guys. Let's get it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel to keep this thing active on YouTube. Everybody enjoy your day. Stay lit. We out. Ha.